the first day that I have not worn a baseball cap in the longest time. What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. Thank you so much for being here. My name is Shar, and I'm just gonna get it out of the way. I know it's been a while since I have filmed, and I apologize. I've been dealing with some personal family issues, and that's a whole other video. I do want to say thank you so much to all the healthcare workers and essential workers that are out there battling the front lines each and every day. And for those of you that are doing your part in staying home and staying safe and social distancing and doing your part, thank you as well. Because I've had a lot of people reaching out asking for tips and tricks on beauty products and at-home products and what they can do since their hair salon is shut down and their nail salon is shut down and their waxing place is shut down. I think everybody's roots are growing out and everybody's hair is growing back on their face. So they have reached out and asked for product advice on how to take care of some of this stuff at home. And I am going to help you today with some products that have lifted my spirits and my daughter's. Some of these products are some that she helped me pick out that have helped her as well. So a couple days ago, my daughter was saying how she felt really pale and pasty white and sickly looking, and I thought, yeah, I'm feeling the same way. And I thought, you know what would boost our confidence a little bit is if we do a little bit of tanning cream. So we did this, and oh my gosh, there's nothing like having just a nice healthy glow to help you feel healthy and alive. And I've talked about this before on my channel. This is the TROPEZ Self-Tan Express 1 hour, 2 hour, or 3 hour. I really do love that. It's very foolproof. It's a mousse. It has a color guard. But this, I think, is starting to be my new favorite. And my daughter loves this now. She absolutely loves this. This is the Bondi Sands. What is this? The Australian Tan. This, I don't know why I got it in this. This is ultra dark. Oh my gosh. I'm not kidding. It is ultra dark. I love the color of this. It has like a nice, like you just came in from the sun, and I'm wearing this now. I actually don't always wear white because white washes me out. Normally I'm about the color of my shirt. So this really just helps me have a little bit of a healthy glow. Because I don't wear makeup every day, that's the other reason why I do like having a fake tan, because then I can just throw on lotion or a sunscreen and I don't need like a foundation or a base, because this really helps just even everything out. If you have an aversion to scents, you might want to steer clear of this. It has a really heavy coconut cinnamon almost. Yeah, like a coconut cinnamon. I think it smells really good. But my daughter put this on the other day, and my son was walking past the bathroom and he's like, what is that smell? Oh my gosh, it smells so coconutty. And he didn't like it. I liked it. My daughter likes it. I just wanted to make you aware of that. And this does come in a dark, so you don't have to get ultra dark like I did. I did a whole shaving my face video. Shaving my face, how to shave my face, and the products that I used. And I use this TINKLE razor, and I get it on Amazon, and it's a straight razor like this. I shave my entire face, careful around my eyebrows. I don't shave my eyebrows, and they're really out of hand right now. I will pluck occasionally, but I kind of like big bushy eyebrows. I'm careful to shave around my eyebrows, but these are actually, I think, eyebrow razors, but I use them to shave my entire face. The other reason why I like these so much is because it really helps to exfoliate your face as well. I had somebody reach out and was asking me about teeth whitening, and I recommended the Plus White 5-minute speed whitening gel. I think I got this about a year ago, and I got it on Amazon, and it was 2 bottles for pretty cheap. And this works so well. Oh my gosh, I think it works too well because I think my teeth are a little too white right now. Yeah, see, they match my white shirt. Anyway, so I would recommend this if you can't get to a dentist and go that route. The other thing people have been asking me about is hair color. Instead of going to the hair salon every 4 weeks, I found a good root touch-up solution, and it's called Madison Reed. It's delivered to your door. I will put the link below. I started using Madison Reed back in November, December, trying to save money. What I love about Madison Reed is the ingredients that it uses, and I have to say my hair feels really healthy since I've been using it. You can tell, let me just move my head back and forth, but you can see how it's sort of multi-dimensional. That's what I love about it. It's not like store-bought hair color to where it has that flat kind of look to it. And it's the Madison Reed is ammonia free, so you don't have that really smelly. In fact, now that I think about it, I don't even think it has a scent at all. Yeah, I don't think it does. It comes in a little box. I'm kicking myself now that I did not save and just do a tutorial on this and didn't just film the whole thing, and I regret now not doing that. I just did this about 2 weeks ago. So I bought 2 boxes back in November, December, and then that's how long it has been since I have done my hair. So, oh my gosh, my hair was so gray. So I had been using this. This is just a root touch-up, a root spray. It's like a, this is light brown, and I was just spraying this in the roots, but my gray got so out of hand that I needed a little bit, it was time to go to the salon. But then all the salons closed. I need a haircut too, but I'm not brave enough to do a haircut at home. I know some of you have cut bangs and cut your own hair, and I think I'll wait until the salons reopen for that. I had somebody recently ask me about a highlighting kit, and I don't know if I'm brave enough to do highlights. I definitely need to break all this dark up, but I don't think I'm brave enough to do an at-home highlighting kit. If I was going to do that, I would go through eSalon, is what I'm trying to say. They also have stylists that can help pick out your color, and they customize the color. That's one of the things that intrigued me about eSalon. I did end up going with Madison Reed just for root color, but I wouldn't mind checking out eSalon. So those are your 2 options, I would say, for at-home hair color. I will link both below so you can go read up on eSalon or Madison Reed. Okay, let's stick with hair. I have been loving this dry shampoo, Batiste, and this is their original scent. I almost said flavor. It does do a great job of cleaning my hair and making it smell clean as well. So if after a good workout, if I'm all sweaty and gross and I know this is disgusting, but if I don't feel like washing my hair after that, this really helps dry up the sweat. And I know that's disgusting, but yeah, I really like this one. I've had so many great friends that have been texting. Oh my gosh, one of my favorite things too, speaking of self-care, Zoom has been such a lifesaver. I have been able to connect with friends on a regular basis. I mean, we text every single day, but to be able to see their faces, and I wish I could hug them, but I mean, just to see their face and connect and talk. Zoom has been such a lifesaver for me, and a mood lifter as well for my daughter and my son. My daughter the other day found a candle in the house, and she took it up to her bedroom, and just the smell of the candle and having a candle, she even said to me, it's just interesting because I find little things that used to be little, but now they're big. They can really boost your mental game right now. And I think that's what we all need. We need a skincare that I've been loving. This Timeless Hyaluronic Acid Spray with cucumber extract and Matrixyl 3000. This really helps to keep your skin hydrated, and then I will also go in with like a face mask of some type. I really like this Epionce. This is the enriched firming mask. I've talked about this before. I've been masking a lot more, especially since I haven't been wearing makeup. Oh my gosh, I put makeup on today. I have not put makeup on in weeks, and I forgot how much I just love playing with makeup. It's something that just makes me happy. And for some people it's painting a picture or coloring or something artistic like that. For me, it's playing with makeup. Oh, I also want to talk about this. This is Aquaphor Healing Ointment Advanced Protection. This has really saved my cuticles with washing my hands over and over and over again, as I'm sure all of us are and should be. Oh my gosh, this has really saved my hands, my feet. Oh, my feet. Yes, let me talk about my feet. I am not a nail person. Like, I probably should have at least painted my nails before I did this video, but again, not a nail person. But my feet, I always take care of my feet. At least once a week I am doing a pedicure. I am scrubbing my feet. I use my Pet Egg, my Amopay, and I found this Boscia Baby Soft Foot Peel. It comes in a box like this, and it has this packet, but it comes in these two plasticky boots that are folded up in here. You pull them out and it has like inside the boots this magical serum stuff with alpha hydroxy and some other exfoliating properties. And you put the boots on your feet and it comes with this tape. Oh, I wish I would have done it, like film this now that I think about it. And you sit with these, with your feet in these plasticky boots, and you have to sit there for at least an hour up to like an hour and a half. So I just put them on and then I sat and I binged watched Ozark. Oh my gosh, Ozark season 3. I don't know if you've seen that show. Highly recommend. Oh my gosh, I love that show. I sat there for an episode and a half with these on. I will say I didn't notice anything the next day, and I didn't notice anything on the second day, and I didn't notice anything on the third day, and I thought, well, this was a waste of money. And then on the fourth day I started getting peeling on my feet like I have never had before. Oh my gosh. Anyway, I won't grocery out with all the details, but day 4 through about day 6, 7, peeling like crazy to the point where I had to wear socks. It was so gross. My feet were snagging on the carpet. So disgusting. But by the time day 7 came around and I did my Pet Egg to kind of help it along, oh my gosh, my feet were so soft. Let me know if you have tried this and what you think of it. Yeah, you know, the other thing, oh my gosh, my Gucci Flora. This is one of my favorite scents. This to me is a good springtime summer scent, and love this. Again, Gucci Flora. So little things like that just give you that added mental boost. I would love to know what some of the things that you're doing to help boost your mental game these days, because for me, I've been working out, meditating, and really being grateful for things in my life that I do have. I'm with my children every day, and yes, we're gonna start homeschooling, and I'm a little bit scared about that, but I'm grateful for friends that I can rely on for advice with homeschooling. Be sure to check in on people and make sure they're doing okay. That, I think, is what is going to really help us get through all of this. Just kindness and compassion. And I've experienced it so much from friends and my children, my parents, my sister. I know together we can do this. I know we'll be better for it on the other side. Take care of yourselves. Self-love, self-care, and the care for others. And we will see you in my next video. Take care.